Never stop learning. Never think that you know everything. In fact, the big difference between people who progress and people who don't is basically the ability to keep learning. The books that you read, the people that you meet, the countries you travel to help you develop perspective and help you to learn. Today, there is an immense opportunity for learning. For instance, if you wanted to learn stock trading, there are so many videos on the internet which allow you to learn. You may not have an MBA, but you can learn more about entrepreneurship and team building through videos on the internet. There's just so much available at our disposal. Use these resources well and keep learning, because it is the knowledge of today which will help you get the ideas of tomorrow and develop you into a stronger individual and your team into a stronger team. Ultimately, as you learn, you will improve, and that will help your team also improve. So tip number 9, never stop learning.